Hi guys, it's Marie here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly my favorite bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Wednesday. I'm always on a hunt for the perfect bag. If you're like me, subscribe, hit notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. Guys, I failed my wish list. You know how on the top of my wish list it's a Dior saddle bag, and I'm really looking forward to getting this bag, but unfortunately I failed and I cheated on my dearest Dior saddle bag with a different Dior bag. Last week I released the video on the newest, freshest luxury bags of 2023. And one of the Dior bags caught my attention and made me love it so much when as soon as that became available in stock on the Dior website, I went straight away and ordered and bought it. And that's why today we have a Dior unboxing. The first Dior unboxing 2023. And I think it's the first Dior bags unboxing for me ever. I'm super excited, and for that particular reason, guys, it's going to be a proper unboxing. As you can see, I haven't opened the box yet. I haven't seen the bag yet. Today's video is going to be all about this unboxing and also my first impressions. As you can see from the description of this video, that is going to be a Lady Dior drawstring bag. It's one of the newest Dior's addition to the Lady Dior range. I'm super excited to see that in real life, how it's going to look like. After I unbox this bag today, I'm going to use that for a few weeks, and I'm going to deliver the full review with the mod shots and the close-ups and a what fits test. If you have any questions about this bag, please drop them in the comments below. I promise I'm going to answer all of them in a comment section and also in upcoming video. If you haven't seen my video about the newest, freshest, amazing luxury bags of 2023, which I'm very excited about, and one of them I already purchased, I'm going to leave the link below in the description box, so check this out. Okay, and now it's time to unbox that. Dior delivered that back really quickly, and it got sold out on the Dior website within 24 hours. I think they sold it so well to me for the few reasons. So the first reason is that one of the cheapest, the Lady Dior bags available, it's only £1,650 retail price here in the UK. It's amazing for Dior bag, the leather bag. You're going to see that in a minute. The second reason, because they put on the website a limited stock. Basically, they were saying to me, hurry up, it's going to disappear very soon. And guys, it was sold within 24 hours because I checked the website a very next day and it already was unavailable. It's quite a popular design. In the UK, we only have in that particular color, which I'm going to unbox just now, but I've seen the black and the like a powder pink as well, and they are amazing too. But okay, no more stories, let's open it. Voila. Oh, what we've got here. So we've got, I believe that would be a receipt, or let's have a look. That's already beautiful. Yeah, it's a delivery slip there and the receipt. Oh, and a little note. No, it's not handwritten, but it looks like it's handwritten. It's actually like printed, but it's beautiful. One of the quotes from Christian Dior. So putting it back there, really nice touch. Wow. Guys, I have a goosebumps. I have a goosebumps because it is my very first one, the Dior bag. I am super excited, and it's a beautiful packaging. Look at that. Oh, it's amazing. And we also have some return slip here, and I believe the little bag as well. We've got a little Dior bag for this box. Unfortunately, as you can see, it's been a little bit of color transfer. Can you see that there, guys? It's a little bit of color transfer from this blue ribbon. Yep, not good, but well. Okay, still, the box is amazing and the ribbon is amazing. Tin, tin, tin. Oh, that's it. A little bit of undressing here. And let me check how. Okay, are you ready? I'm definitely ready. Wow. A little bit of tissue paper and a Dior thingy. As you can see, the bag is really small. And that's it. Voila. Okay, let's put this beautiful box aside. Do we have anything in there? No, just a little bit of tissue paper as a little cushion for our bag. And let's put that aside and focus on the bag. Here we've got a beautiful cotton dust bag. You know, I always comment on the dust bags. I think they are one of those signs of luxury, and I do appreciate when the luxury brands invest their money in those little touches, like a good quality dust bags. And now we're going to reveal that little beauty. Finish. Pam, 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 pam. Voila. That's a little teeny weeny beautiful Dior, Lady Dior drawstring bag, and one of the newest addition to the Lady Dior range. What's your first impression of this bag, guys? Please leave the comments below. I would be really interested to find out. Mine is, the first one, it's tiny. I thought it's going to be a little bit longer on that side. I thought it's going to be like not as squarish as it is just now. So that was my first kind of like impression. And the second one, I expected red to be like a brighter red. I would compare that as a, not the Christmas red, not kind of like a lipstick red. Do you know what I mean? That one is just a classic red, kind of like a bonfire red. So yes, I did expect that to be a couple of tones brighter, but it's still beautiful color, the classic one, very bright and eye-catching. What we also have here. Okay, let me have a look. Okay guys, I just took a couple of minutes to untangle everything. It was like a little bit busy over here, so I just didn't know what's happening, what's going on around, and I needed like a couple of minutes to inspect the bag to get my head around that. So what we have here, we have a beautiful canage, signature Lady Dior canage leather all over the actual bag. We have a removable chain here, and I love how it's a different type of chain, a bigger length, the smaller lengths, and even a tiny little pearls, as you can see there. I think it's 4 of them throughout the chain. Yep, just 4 of them. Then we have a top handle. It's beautiful, nice. It's too small to put that and wear that as a shoulder bag, but at the same time, that's absolutely fine for me to wear that on the crook of my arm, as you can see. And it's also removable. I think it's a really nice touch there. Those strings, if we try to tie them and get the bag a little bit tighter, see what's happening? No. So I would say I'm going to inspect bag further. I'm going to test those things, but what it looks to me right now, and as you can see that I'm showing that on the video, when you're trying to tie them, they don't stay in the same position. they get untightened again. So they are coming back into the same position. But as I said, I'm going to explore the bag further to find out how it actually works. At the moment, to me, it doesn't look like those drawstrings are actually doing anything apart from a little beauty element added to the bag. And then we have a little Dior keyring here. Voila. They're cute, they're beautiful, and I believe they can be removed as well, because those little hoops over here, allows you to remove the top handle and the chain and the Dior little thingy over there, and just to put that on either side of your preferences. Now it's time to look inside. Inside we have same color, scarlet red. The interior, suede, nice, really tactile. I think it could be easy to leave a stain there or something like that. But again, I'm going to report in full. That's just a first impression. Inside, it's just one big hole, no compartments, not even tiny card slots inside. And the only thing that we have inside, it's a little plaque saying Christian Dior Paris and made in Italy, and that's it. On the website, on Dior website, it said that any iPhone, any phone sizes can go in there. We're going quickly to check that. I will do the what fits review on that one in the full review as well, but let's check this one. Mine is iPhone Max Pro, 16 centimeters long. So it goes inside. I would say kind of like easily, but it's just making it, like literally it's a bit too tight for my absolute liking, to be honest with you, but it is suitable for that. But it's just, and see when I'm kind of like struggling a bit to take it out, but it's still going in there. Outside we're dealing with 100% lum leather. And I can see that Dior did a very clever thing here. They covered all corners with a piping, which I believe will increase durability of the corners. And that's, guys, Lady Dior drawstring bag to you in a beautiful scarlet red color. What's my impression? To be honest with you, I have mixed feelings about this bag. It is a few things that I expected would be different, and I'm teeny weeny bit disappointed. But the other things, I'm still loving it. The first thing, I expected the bag to be a little bit wider on that side, so a little bit longer. That it's more like a squarish shape rather than rectangular. Then I expected it to be our brighter scarlet red. I expected it to be like a lipstick rather than the Christmas red. That's what it looks to me more like. But then I absolutely love the idea that all the straps and everything is removable, and at the end of the day you can use this bag as a pouch or a clutch. And one more thing, that I don't know what we're going to do with this drawstrings, but as I said, I'm going to play around with that and I'm going to report in full in my next video, so stay tuned. And that's me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed unboxing my first Dior bag. If you did, please hit thumbs up, subscribe, hit notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!